The world's first fully automated dental procedure on a human is reported in the United States. Boston-based has announced a successful demonstration of the world's first automated dental procedure on a human. Unlike previous machines that are guided or teleoperated by a surgeon, this new system can move and operate entirely by itself using artificial intelligence. Founded in 2020, Perceptive is aiming to transform dental care by making image-guided robotic restorative dentistry a standard of care. The company is developing technology that could provide superior restorations, for example crowns and fillings, to patients at lower cost and in less time, enabling dentists to identify and remove tooth decay more precisely than human eyes and hands, while adding clinical capacity. Perceptive's latest model integrates AI-driven 3D imaging software with a robotic arm designed to perform dental procedures, starting with restorative dentistry, with unparalleled speed and precision. The proprietary system aims to complete tasks such as crown placements in just 15 minutes, a major reduction from the current method that requires 2 office visits of at least 1 hour each. "We're excited to successfully complete the world's first fully automated robotic dental procedure," said Dr. Chris Ciriello, CEO and founder. This medical breakthrough enhances precision and efficiency of dental procedures and democratizes access to better dental care for improved patient experience and clinical outcomes. "We look forward to advancing our system and pioneering scalable, fully automated dental healthcare solutions for patients." Perceptive's AI robotic system uses 3D volumetric data for diagnostics and treatment planning, enabling early and highly accurate diagnoses. The procedure begins with an optical coherence tomography (OCT) scan of the patient's tooth and mouth using an intraoral scanner. This advanced device captures 3D images beneath the gum line, through fluids, and under tooth surfaces, offering high-resolution imaging capabilities. Patients can clearly visualize their dental conditions through these detailed images, helping them better understand their need for care. Another major advantage of OCT is the lack of harmful X-ray radiation, since it uses nothing more than light beams. Any cavities that may be present can be automatically detected with 90% accuracy, a huge improvement over the current 45% accuracy of 2D X-rays. The system then uses AI algorithms to analyze the 3D data and plan the procedure in the safest and most efficient way. Automating these procedures can enable dentists to diagnose and treat more patients with higher quality care in less time, reducing the need for manual labor and minimizing the risk of human error. Perceptive is partnered with Harvard School of Dental Medicine and has raised $30 million in funding to date, with leading investors including Dr. Ed Zuckerberg, father of Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg, and Y Combinator, among others. The system will need FDA approval, and the company has yet to provide a timeline for its rollout, so it might be a few years before it becomes accessible to the general public. But this kind of revolutionary treatment may one day become routine. A robotic system driven by artificial intelligence will transform dentistry. The patient experience will be better by streamlining procedures and improving patient comfort. Advanced imaging capabilities, especially the intraoral scanner, provide unrivaled detail that will allow us to diagnose problems earlier with greater accuracy and interact more effectively with patients.